back to my YouTube video, guys. So today we're gonna play Roblox Jailbreak. I said I would play Would You Rather when the next time I play Roblox, but guys, like Would You Rather is not working for me, guys. That's why it is here, guys, but I cannot play it. It says the developer, I mean, guys, whatever, but it says it's not updated and stuff, noise. But guys, I said in my second video, which was my Roblox Jailbreak one, I would buy a buzzard in that video. So guys, so right now I have like 70k cash, and it just takes 50k to get the buzzard, guys. So but I'm gonna earn, and at the end of the video I'm gonna get the buzzard, guys. So let me just check. Yep, I have 69.4k, guys. That's my cash. But now let me just come over here, and my alt account is inside there, guys. But let me just wait for that, guys. Like my alt account is inside there, but I didn't see someone punching, so that's why, guys. Dude, you will. Yeah, dude, come in, bro. Come in, and I will arrest you. Yeah. But guys, like, it's over there, guys. My alt account is over there. The cop over there, guys. I have to steal a key card. That's why. Wait, why is it not being? Okay, finally. Now, guys, I'm just gonna like steal a key card, and then. No, that's donuts. But now I don't have to go to the donut store. And so now, guys, so let me just get my screen. And I'm almost level 3, but I cannot do these missions, guys, because remove a criminal out of handcuffs, guys. I don't have 3 accounts. I have another account, but I can use that. I cannot use that account as well. Let me just come here. And then, guys, I'm just gonna like stay over there, guys. No. Wait, okay. Now it's good. Yeah, if you like, if the jump button is like too small, it's cut it in half. Then in mobile, then guys, like maybe you will not have the jump button. That could happen, guys, because that has happened so much time to me when I have the key card, guys. But at the time, guys, I'll be like fighting with a cop, guys, and then I cannot jump, and the cop will get me in no time. Why can I not lock my vehicle? What? Guys, this is not working. I cannot lock my vehicle, dude. I cannot. Why can I not lock? Guys, I'm pressing lock button, but let me just make my alt account a criminal prisoner. There's no waiting for me, and whoa, it is a cop. There's a cop trying to kill me, not to arrest. He doesn't want to arrest me. Guys, but let me. I cannot lock this stupid is accept my mission. shouting. But I was too late. No. I was too late. I don't have 3 accounts, but let me just pickpocket. Guys, like I cannot pickpocket. Guys, so now I have to make my alt a criminal again. Wait, I mean a cop again. But I have an idea this time, guys. I'm just gonna like meet my main account. Wait, guys, like let me just put my alt account at the airport, guys, and then I can rob the cargo plane, guys. But let me just, oh guys, like my rocket fuel is being wasted. Guys, like why is this taking like, guys, but it is laggy. My alt account is laggy. But it's not my alt account, okay guys? It's my, it's not my friend's account, but it's just my account. No, as I can use like 2 accounts in a time, but like I can only use like one at one time. But if I use one account for a recording, that's the recording one. No, as how can I use another one? Guys, so it's laggy. Guys, I cannot move my character, no guys. It's laggy. Guys, I'm trying to move my character, but it's laggy. It's so much lagging noise. And guys, I cannot even move my character right now. Dude, I cannot even move my character. What happened? Guys, my alt account is actually my friend's account, guys. He's playing. I don't have an alt account, but guys, so finally it started. Wait, let me just drink some water. I forgot to drink water. Now guys, let me just go to the airport because he's waiting me at the airport. Why should I do like that? I can just do this. Guys, so let's just go. I don't need a key card. I'll just go. Just let me go. I'll just go. Guys, we 2 Baconaires are the buddies, no? We're the buddies. Oh yeah. Baconaire buddy. We're not buddies anymore. Now let me just spawn a Jeep. It's a G-Wagon. He just pet maneuvered me. He has a pet maneuver. I mean pit maneuver. I was just like level 2 today. More than I am so close to level 2. You can only see like the 3 noise. Did he just pet maneuver me? Did he just pet maneuver me? Really? He's also in mobile. He's also in mobile because like the stupid mobile ranges. No, me good. Me good. Guys, like he just told me that a crim got him. Are you kidding me? And now he's in the prison. Nice. So we can go together, nice. That's the thing now. Guys, but he says he's waiting for me. So let's just check out if he's waiting for me or not. Wait a minute. 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 Yeah, guys, like in his account, nice. Actually, he said someone robbed him. Nice, so it will take. It's laggy again. Are you kidding? Guys, so it's finally unlaggy and my alt account is here. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna pickpocket. I'm gonna act like I'm pickpocketing. No. Well, guys, like he thought the other dude was robbing him, so he just got him. Okay, so he's opening it for me, but okay, dude. No. He's too dumb to know this game. Okay, so let me just. Don't kill me, guys. He just killed me. Are you kidding me, dude? Now I have to do everything I have. You know what? Just screw it. I'm gonna let everyone go. Not everyone. He's saying just leave it, but I said no. I'm not gonna give you the key card. I'm just gonna say him to come out. So, dude, just you know what? Just dip. Okay, so I'm just gonna like get it. Dude, don't take the key card. Oh shoot, guys! Like he mistakenly arrested me, guys. But I said it's good. Oh. Bruh, why did it say no pickup key? Shoot, guys, he said I'm done with this, but I said no, come back. Nice. He said I died because the stupid criminal, guys, he's sharing the screen with me in my another phone, guys, but it's going very bad now, as you can see. That's all. Just leave everything up. He's saying, let others get my key card. I don't care now, as he's saying like that. Yeah, wait. He says he's out. Okay, guys, so he just texted me. So just check out. There's 29,000 jailbreaker. He's probably exploiting. I don't really care. He was cheating. Yeah. And a criminal got into. Dude, you cannot get me. You cannot get me. You cannot get me. I know it's a glitch. But you cannot get me. Bro, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Guys, like, he just killed me when he changed team. He's just over there, no guys? He says 5 more seconds. Try 4. Okay guys, so now guys, like, he's off. He says I'm in area 51. What? Okay, so he said he will reset. He says he's in the the city one. But I'm saying come fast, guys. So he says he's again area 51. I say I'll just wait over there. Over here. Nice for him. What? That's what he says. He says his account is laggy, but guys, like, because of him, like, everyone has got the key card. He says. Guys, so he's saying I'm being in area 51 to area 51. Guys, but I'm saying don't even dare to come at the prison. But guys, if he has to come. Okay, guys. He has came, he has saved, and I can see it on the mini-map. Guys, but I'm just gonna like put that ready. Wait, what? Okay, donut. Nothing. Again, the donut. Now guys, he said he won't come now. Now guys, I have to come over here and a cup and a few cups will be there. But I'll lick them. And great. Great. There's copper. Kill him. Yeah, boy. That's a key card. I don't need a key card. I need a pistol or something like that. Hey, you. That's so I'm just gonna like come over here. And just Is there invisible arrestor? Wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna like get the police outfit. And guys, like, we need some guns. I need some guns. Just making here cop doesn't know that I'm a crim, not a cop. Okay? I'm crim, not a cop. Okay? Oh guys, I thought that was a freaking cop. I have no. Are you kidding? Dude. Check out. That's great. I think I've made a 10-minute video without even talking. And there's a stupid camera. Guys, so now guys, I'm just gonna be a cop and just get the little bird and do nothing, guys, because I've made a 15-minute video, I think, without even drawing, guys. So or guys, I have an idea to get some money. Nice, so let me just stay over here. And guys, so I'm saying get into one prison cell where I am to my friend. So guys, so he's coming, he's checking all of them. He says I cannot find it, but I said check more. I said, oh, guys, so he has found me, guys. So now, guys, I'm just gonna say him to punch me, and guys, so I can arrest him to get more cash, guys. Now, guys, he will be in one cell. He will be in his cell, his own cell, and guys, I have to find that cell. I was like, where it is, guys. I have to search for it. I have to search for a closed cell, not an opened one. Like most of the ones are opened. Oh, this one, yeah. And so I just need him to punch me and I'll keep arresting him. Guys, that will make me more coins. Nice. Yes, but I think I heard something like do 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 do. I don't know what that sound is, but don't know that. And so he's saying we'll start punching and I'll just get him. Guys, like, now guys, oh, guys, so he says he has 10,000 cash, so he will give me. Okay, so he's trying to give it, but it says he is not. Guys, but 10,000 is the most amount you can get, so it's a good sign. See, that's like he just dropped it at the table. Thank you for the donation. 80,000 cash. No, that's incredible. Like, that's the most cash. I mean, like, that's not the most cash, but it's the most cash on the server instead of that auto robber. You are Burbide. That's like, oh guys, like, I will report him. Guys, today I've found 2 auto robbers, guys, and guys, like, I have arrested one, but where's the jailbreaker? Yeah. Scan or human exploiting. Auto robbing. Guys, like, no one can get that much bounty. Guys, he has a 30 plus bounty, guys. Guys, so now I have 81k cash. Oh wait, guys, so he says you can store the cup. Yes, but I cannot arrest him. Guys, like, you can store the cups. Nice. Oh, guys, like, he's again. Guys, like, you'll just be in prison. 81. That's but if I get 100,000, then why should I not get like the Lamborghini? No, as it will make me like richer. No, as you will think. But guys, like most of the jailbreak players first get the helicopter and then the Lamborghini. Nice, but right now I have 81,000. I'm about to be in 82, guys. So until 85, I'll do this and then end the video. And then I'll buy the little bird, and then guys, I'm gonna have 35,000 cash, and do some home grinding, nice, without recording. And then guys, when I reach 100k, then I'll make another video. When I'm near 100k, I'll make another Roblox jailbreak video. But my next video, I'm gonna tell you this time, guys. My next video is gonna be Would You Rather. Guys, I can make 2 games in one, but it will make the video too long. Guys, I think this video is already 40-minute plus video, but I'm doing some grinding stuff, guys. I'm grinding here. Guys, it shows he's not cuffed, but check out that. So guys, the next video is gonna be Would You Rather. Have already decided it. There's like 2 Roblox video in one, but it works. Guys, so let me just check out 83. So 2 for you have to do 3. Guys, I don't want to do this math. I'll do the math when I reach 84. Badoop. So 83. Still 83. Guys, so wait a minute, guys. I'll just punch and then Yes, but sorry for that, guys. I had to go to the bathroom. But still, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys, like right time. That's what you say. Done. Now I have still 84. So, guys, like 2 more rests left. Guys, like I'm just gonna be at Guys, I'm gonna be at 35,000 after I buy. I'll be at 35,007. Wait, how much? 256. 35,056. No, 76 cash noise. Only 76 more cash noise. But at my next jailbreak video, noise, I'm gonna show you how to crew rob with my friend here, Dr. Yao9. That's his name, Dr. Yao9. Guys, but I'll show you the best crew robbing house. Like there's 2, but there's a 250 lower cash one. That's the best one, guys, to get for crew robbing. I've tried it. It's the best. That is how I lost my full 93k cash. No, as I had 93k and some hundred. I spent all. No, as I got every one of each things. No, as but I missed my cash. I was at 0 and I was grinding. Now in 2 days I have reached 85. Yes, 85. But I got 400 more. Thanks, friend. Oh, now I have to wait, guys. But he says I'm gonna leave, so I'll just say leave. So he says he will leave game, guys. So he has left the game, but he has left the game. Now can you open this? Yeah. No. Let me just come over. No, I want to reset character. I want to be at the city police station, or the area 51, or the another one which is near the airport. I want to be one from 3 places. I don't want to be at the prison. What can it please put? I'm so sick of this game. I don't want to make my video like 50 minutes long, guys. It's just the game, guys. It's just the game. What? Not too much. Oh, I'm resetting my character. Oh, guys, it's the morning. That's why I'm being over here. Let's just go, guys. There was innocent. Minus 25, yay! Hate this game. 41k. I'll be at 120k. Nice. So that I really want to arrest him, guys. He just collected 100. Wait, what? No, you stupid cop. What's that? I'm just going to say jail break. No. Nice. Can I arrest you? I am doing a video. Guys, like he's saying me noob, haha, stupid. Hello, guys, like he's probably also robbing knives. That's why I'm so rich is open. But he's very happy. I know. Guys, but guys, so I'll be catching, and so started a bank robbery. Guys, so I'll buy it later because he has done a bank robbery. He has started a bank robbery. Just to hope that he is not really left here, guys, because stupid auto robbers. Guys, so one time I tried like this, guys, it actually worked. I tried to bust him. Sorry, Julie, Jason. Guys, but he's just gonna like turn the money in. Guys, like train is the best noise to get it. Guys, like, I'll title this video getting a auto robber, then getting the Lamborghini. Nice. I'll title the video that. I just have to like wait at the train, guys. I don't care how much long the video guys. It's just the thing about of the train, guys. Like train is the best way to catch auto robbers, guys. Like auto robbers gets like auto robbers. See, guys, like he was just at the donut store and now he's at the gas station, guys. But like the train takes time to get money, and if you guys like everyone says in the comments, noise in my last channel, everyone said in my video, how are you so perfect getting in the train without a jetpack or anything, noise? But I just come over here, noise, and wait for the red car and then jump. Guys, I don't like just go at the front like driver's seat and do it, guys. I don't do that noob stuff. Guys, I just wait for a red card and just go get on it. Guys, but when is the cargo train gonna come? I want to get that cargo train. He has got the cargo plane, but not the cargo train. E. Press E at the museum. Like he's at the museum, but I don't want to rob any stupids. There's like he has more than 41k bounty. You know, as when I checked there, then there was 41k bounty. He has like 45 now. No, as he didn't rob the bank because I already got that, but he. Guys, like every auto robbers, when the cops come, they just get out. Jailbreaker robbed the museum, guys. So he doesn't have the pass, nice. He doesn't have the pass like me. Rip us because we are billionaires. Guys, like he's somehow. I see him. Oh yes. So the train is here. The train is here. Wait for a red card. No, I'm just going. Wait for him. Wait for him. It says he's here. He's not here. And there's not. Guys, like, what? He just got out. He just got robbed the train for 1,700? Are you kidding me? How? Guys, like, I also want to know how to auto rob. I also want to know. You get more than like 50,000 cash every time you log in. but I'm just gonna not get the auto robber. Guys, I think like this is not gonna work, but let's check out if it's gonna work or not. Yes, now it's working. Bank robbery, but guys, like, he's just gonna like get out there. Dude, don't take it, okay? Oh, gotta get the protection. Should be still in. And he has already robbed it. Great. Guys, so I'll just get the buzzard and end the video noise. Maybe next time I catch my friend as a auto robber. No, it's because I do auto rob sometimes, but never lets me arrest noise. Guys, so, but let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so make sure to like. I just got scammed. I just got scammed. It's 190K. It's 190K. 190K. Just let me die, dude. Why did I make this video for? Why? Why did I make this video? Why? I didn't know. I promise I didn't know. I don't want to waste your time, but that's all. I'll check how to auto rob.